how to change your SafePal password. So if you want to change your password on SafePal, it is actually quite very simple to do so. First of all, launch the SafePal app, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now over here I'm logged into my account, so to change my password what I have to do is from the top left you can see the settings icon. Just tap the settings icon there, then you will come to settings. So after that just go to the option that says security and then tap on it, and then when you tap on security you'll find many options, but you want to go to the one that says change security password and then tap on it again. So it will ask you to enter the old password. If you enter your old password right here, perfectly fine if you remember them. If you don't, then you can tap on forgot password, but I do remember my old password, so I'll simply enter that. Now it will ask me to simply choose a new password. So now I can go ahead and then enter the new password that I want to change to, and I can also go ahead and then confirm the password. Once done, my security password has been successfully changed. That's all it takes for me to change my SafePal account password. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.